In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Chrome to Brave browser. If you've been using Chrome for a while and you're thinking of switching to Brave, one of the first things you'll want to do is bring over all your important browsing data. That usually includes your bookmarks, your browsing history, your saved passwords, and even things like your autofill data for forms. The good news is, Brave makes this process quite straightforward, and you can usually get everything moved over in just a couple of minutes. First, make sure Brave is installed and open on your computer. You don't have to close Chrome for this to work, but it's fine if Chrome is running in the background. Once Brave is open, look toward the top right corner of the window for the main menu icon. It's typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or 3 dots, depending on your version. Click that icon to open the menu. From this menu, find and click on the Settings option. This will open a new tab with all of Brave's settings. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll see a list of categories. Look for the section that relates to importing or managing your browser data. In most versions of Brave, this will be under something like Get Started or Import Bookmarks and Settings. Click on the option that says Import Bookmarks and Settings. A small window will pop up, asking you which browser you want to import from. Open the drop-down menu and select Google Chrome. Below that, you'll see a list of the types of data you can bring over. Things like browsing history, favorites or bookmarks, saved passwords, and maybe autofill form data. Check or uncheck these boxes depending on what you want to import. If you're not sure, it's usually safe and convenient to select them all. Once you've made your selections, click the Import button. Brave will start copying the data from Chrome. This usually only takes a few seconds, but it can be a bit longer if you have a lot of history or many bookmarks. When it's done, you should see a confirmation message letting you know the import is complete. Now you can close the Settings tab and start browsing in Brave. Your Chrome bookmarks should appear in the Bookmarks bar or in the Bookmarks Manager. Your history will be available, and any saved passwords you chose to import can be used when you log in to your usual sites. That's all you need to successfully move your data from Chrome to Brave.